In my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, I got something new, but first, I want to shout out to Angel, and I also want to shout out to James Cox. I don't know if y'all remember James Cox. Shout out to him. But shout out to Angel as well. Now today I want to talk about Sue. This is this app that you actually get paid from. You could sign up. I'm gonna leave my link in the description. It'll take you straight there. You'll sign up. Basically, it's like Facebook, and all you do is post pictures, post videos, like, share it out, keep on sharing, like and share it, and get followers, and you will get paid instantly. The payout is you got to make $15. You have to make $15 to get that payout from PayPal. So guys, check it out. I am going to leave a clip for you guys to watch, which is the CEO and I think the owner or something, that explains how the payout works and how they pay you. So I mean, if you are a person that's on Facebook and you're not making no money from Facebook, trust me, you're gonna make a money from Sue. So as I said, click the link, sign up. Me and Angel actually did it. James Cox is the one who shared it out and let us know about it, and it's actually legit. And I'm gonna show you a little clip how much I made. I signed up yesterday and I made like 17 cents by just posting pictures, and I didn't post that much pictures or videos, but I'm gonna show you how much I made, which is not a lot because I just started. You are going to get a lot of followers as well. You get paid getting followers as well, posting pictures, posting videos. You will get the payout. Sue will pay. But the CEO, the clip that I'm going to show you, gonna break it down better than I am because I'm new to it. And make sure you click on the link and sign up. That's all I got to share with you guys. Let's hop into it.
About how to generate revenue on the platform. So tune in, because there's always great tips and tricks on what you can do as an original content creator to increase your bank.
Yeah, and that starts in New York City time, basically.
Yeah, Eastern Standard Time. Yeah,
yes,
exactly.
Just in case, wherever you are in the world. So today we're really going to focus in on the key things on Sue. Right? And so the first one is the 50%. The second one is the 10%, right? And then content, right?
Yeah.
And friend, follower. So we're going to jump into this real fast.
Right.
So Chris,
exactly.
Walk us through the 50%.
We'll start with the biggest number. So 50%, this is based on the idea that you as a content creator are going to generate 50% of the ad revenue generated from your content. So in a social media environment, you post content onto a platform like Sue, and advertisements are run in the feed and on the platform in proximity to your content. On Sue, because our basis is fairness, is that we're going to give you a 50% split of the ad revenue that's generated from your content. So
that's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So that's the 50%, and that's a payout rate. And when does a user typically see this money, Chris?
Well, so you start earning from day one. The moment you start posting content and building a follower base, you start building money in your bank. But the payout rate, when you can extract it, is when you hit a threshold of $15.
And you get money deposited into your account every day, correct?
That's exactly it. So we calculate this every single day, and you, as the original content creator, will see that reflected in your bank.
Amazing. And even if you don't post a lot, we've actually brought the digits out, I think, to 4 zeros.
Right.
So that even if you do one post and one person views it, you're still earning money, albeit a micro penny.
Right.
But it's your micro penny.
But you can start to see the impact of the work and the effort you put into the platform, which is going to be a theme that you hear throughout what John and I are talking about, is based on the effort you put in, is what the value you extract out.
So what's a 10% then? So the 10%.
Yeah, so the 10% incentive is something that's available just for early adopters like yourselves.
So for the next 90 days or less.
Right.
Okay.
And the basis behind this is that we are an invite-only platform as of now, but we want you, as an early adopter of the platform, to reap the benefits of inviting people onto the platform. So we're giving you, the inviter, a 10% cut from the people that you invite's ad revenue.
So draw that out.
Right.
Draw that out. So show me, and then show me the 5 people I invite. How does that 10% work?
Right, exactly. So you've got you right here.
Right.
And then you bring in 5 different people. So you've got 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are your friends.
Right.
You will be generating 50% of the ad revenue from all of your content. Right?
That's my content.
That's your
My
content.
photos, my stuff, that's covered here.
Right,
Got it.
exactly. And as these people start to post, your friends start to post, they too will receive 50% of the ad revenue generated from their content.
Right. So they're getting 50 as well. Right, of course.
Exactly.
Right. They're not getting 40. They get 50, right?
That's
very
exactly
important
it.
to distinguish, right? So they
This
get the
is-
same as you. It's not some multi-level. It's everyone gets 50% to join Sue.
That's exactly it.
Right.
So this is the incentive that we as Sue are making available to our early adopters who are inviting friends and family and
So
followers.
I get 10% on.
So then so 10%, and I should have thought about how to draw this, but all of these people will essentially be dropping 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. All these percentage points coming down
That's
to
right.
you.
So if user number 2 earned $100, I get $10 of their 100.
Right. That's exactly it.
They still get
So
they still get their 100. Sue is paying out $110.
Right.
We
Right.
pay it.
Right.
Sue pays
It's coming out of
not
our
them,
cut.
right?
Right.
That 10%
Exactly.
doesn't come out of anybody's cut.
Right.
It comes out of we
Right.
pay it
Exactly.
as a thank you for inviting people,
That-
right?
that's
really
exactly
what it's
right.
thank you money.
Right. Exactly.
That's
it's,
right.
It's our way of saying thank you for extending and talking to your community about the value of Sue and bringing them on the platform.
So this 10% and this 50%, and now the next one we put down here is content. So how important is content, and what kind of content should people really be posting?
And that's a really good question. Given the fact that we're an ad-supported platform, and an ad-supported platform means that brands and agencies are choosing to run advertising on our platform, spending money to run advertising on our platform. And there's a couple things that are really important. One is brand safety. Obviously, brands want to be advertising and putting their messages in front of a great audience, but they want to put their message in front of a great audience surrounded by great content. So brand safety is a very important element of the content that you should be creating on the platform. The other element that's really important is video. So video is a very lucrative form of media. And the reason is because video allows us as a platform to put video advertisements in front of this video content, which generates more revenue.
Right. So again, content is important. Brand safe content is also important.
Right.
Putting up video that would be not brand safe only hurts you.
Right, exactly.
Right?
Because it's not going to get
Because ultimately,
monetized.
you're not going to earn 50% on
Right.
that. Forget about even if it's taken down. Our algorithm is really gonna sort of take your content and punt it down to the bottom because
Right.
it's just not brand safe.
Right.
Having
Exactly.
brand safe content matters. Next, friend and follower, very important. So I can have, as a friend action, I can go out, Chris, and send a request to 100 million people. So I can request 1,000 people to be my friend, and some percentage will respond.
Right.
But follower is the choice of another user to hit that button. So the other person is choosing to hit the button to follow you.
Right.
So in this scenario, Chris, first off, it's probably better to have more followers than friends because our algorithm is really going to look to
Right.
emphasize the follower, where people are choosing to look at your content versus just friends that are visually seeing it, right?
That's exactly right. Choice becomes really important in this scenario. So if you choose, this is a discovery platform. So if there are a lot of content creators out there that I don't know personally, I'm not friends with them, but I choose to view their content and I want to follow them. And that's a really important element because, you know, friends are great, but I want to be exposed to new things all the time. And that follower element allows me to choose the type of content that I want to fill in my feed.
That's right. And some people have said, hey, you know, I'm not making as much money, John.
Right.
And it's because they have an inversion.
Right.
They have 5,000 friends and 2 followers.
Right.
And now they're seeing this algorithm work against them.
Right. Exactly.
And they're constant friend requesting and constantly reaching out to try to game the system. The system's biting them.
Right.
So we encourage you to look to gather followers. You will make money with friends. You will.
Right.
You just won't make as much. You will. You're going to make money anywhere. No matter what you do in Sue, you're going to get a check.
Exactly.
Right. But we really tell you that followers, because the idea of friends is really to have people that are close to you. Right? I mean, that's really the spirit of having a difference between a friend and a follower.
That's very true.
Right?
And that's what makes Sue unique. This makes Sue unique, this makes Sue unique, and this makes Sue unique. Is to think of the fact that followers actually are more valuable than friends.
That's right.
And so, and this is also something, so I'll just tell you what I do. Whenever I get somebody who's following me, I always check out their content to see if I want to follow them in response.
That's
so it's a really good way to find potentially reciprocity or not. But following is a valuable entity on the platform.
So back to sort of summarize Sue. So you post content, you're going to earn 50% just by being a part of Sue.
Right.
If you choose to invite friends before this ends, you can earn 10% off your friends' content as a gift from Sue to you. And you earn it forever.
Forever. Yeah, the offer is only available for 90 days.
But you earn the money forever.
Once they're a linked friend or invitee, you're going to make money on them forever.
Insane.
As they start to grow their user base and create great content, it's just passive money that you make when you're sleeping.
That's right. Content. You know, video is important, obviously. Obviously, pictures are great too. Words is content, right? Writing words to the community, that's still content, it's still engaging. We aren't taking away from that. Next, it's great to have friends. We want everyone to have lots of friends. Please have friends in the community. But if you're trying to monetize friends, it might not work as well as you think. Definitely want to monetize followers. That's exactly really where the money is. And so we're giving you these tips and tricks here. Welcome to Sue. We hope you appreciate it. Come back. We're going to talk about a brand new feature coming out in
Very
Sue.
soon. We're happy that you're here.
We'll be right back.
So there you have it. I hope you guys learn the best of the best, you know, out of the CEO mouth. That's how it works. Click on that link below, sign up, and start earning some money. And oh yeah, one thing that I learned, because I was on it last night, like late night, since I couldn't sleep, you could reach a limit of posting and also sharing. I was sharing a lot, and like other people think I was sharing a lot because they was watching my videos, and they was also liking my videos. They asked me if I could share out their content. So I shared so much that I reached a limit, and I think the limit is a day. Like it actually tells you too, when you try to post, it said you can't post because you reached the limit, the daily limit. And I did do it a lot. So I just want to let you guys know. That's all the information that I have for you. I will give you another update on more when they come out with another video. I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, and be safe out there. And let's make some money together, man. For real. Why not help each other? For real, man. For real. Peace. I'm out of here.
Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money.